Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the new tap feature in Heartopia to get the other players' attentions. So before this update, when other players was busy doing actions like maybe busy writing a book or maybe building their house, you couldn't interact with them at all, and then you just had to wait until they finish. But now, just thanks to the latest update, the developer added a super helpful feature called Tap like this. To use it, just go near your friends or other players while they're building or writing or do any actions, and then just simply tap on the interactions icon above the other players, and then just tap on tap like this. And once you tap it, your friends or other player will automatically receive a notifications that you are there and want to interact with them. And after that, and then next you can do interactions with them automatically like this. And okay, now you don't have to wait silently anymore. You can let them know you have arrived and get attention instantly. And okay, that's it for this quick tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.